Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. Today we are going to visit Hoover Dam. It's a concrete arch-gravity dam on the Black Canyon of the Colorado River. Right now we are overlooking Lake Mead, a man-made reservoir part of the dam. When completely full, the reservoir would be the largest in the United States. It is ranked as one of the top freshwater lakes in the United States, including many historical sites, one of which a sunken B-29 bomber. As we entered the recreational area, we come across the Hoover Dam bypass bridge, constructed in the mid-2000s and was formally named after Michael Callaghan, who was the governor of Nevada from 1971 to 1979, and Pat Tillman, a football player who quit his career to join the army and was killed in duty in Afghanistan. The bridge spans nearly 1,900 feet and it is the highest and longest single-span concrete arch bridge in the Western Hemisphere. After a short walk under the blazing sun, we get a magnificent view of Hoover Dam, the Colorado River, against the rocky terrain. The dam was constructed during the Great Depression, dedicated by President Roosevelt. Throughout the West Coast, it is a major supplier of fresh water and also controls flooding of the Colorado River. It also provides power to Arizona, Nevada, and California. It's a major tourist attraction, drawing in nearly 7 million people per year as it sits on the heavily traveled US Route 93. Due to climate change, among other factors, a portion of the upper layers of water had evaporated, and as a result, displays a layer of erosion from when it was covered by water. The water looks really clean in that emerald shade of blue, flowing seamlessly throughout the canyon. Next, we took a walk on the bypass bridge to get a frontal view of the dam. From here, you can see the massive size of the dam and appreciate the contrast the blue water has with the orange and gray rocks. You can also see how the roads and buildings cut into the rocky structure. The entire area is surrounded by rocky patterns in the Black Canyon. With little vegetation, it is completely barren outside of the dam. That's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Please like, share, and subscribe.